Hello people, getting a wet bum, and welcome to a new T.E fishing video. Today we're fishing a little local lake, which will be fun. Just seeing what we can get. We've had big roach out of here, about £2, bream, probably again about £2, and couple of decent perch, but yeah, fingers crossed we'll get something today. I'm with Max.
Hi.
Who is this lovely fellow, and yeah, it's raining a bit, as you can probably see. This is the lake, so it's not too big. It's in the middle of a county park, so we'll probably get a couple of dog walkers. But yeah, it's just a bit of a social, bit of a catch up, and I'll go through tactics in a bit. For tactics, we're using a wide variety, to be honest. Me and Max are both float fishing, combination of maggots and worms, and I've got the method feeder set up, just sort of cast roughly quite far out to that near tree, yeah, just over there, and yeah, we're just trying a wide variety of places for float fishing. Oh, there you go, that's a bite on the method. But yeah, we're just hoping to get what we can get today, really. And it's quite a small lake, as you can probably see. No more than a quarter of an acre, if that, probably about a fifth or a sixth of an acre. Yeah?
Just took my bait.
Well, there you go, Max just had a bite. So yeah, things are looking pretty positive. It's raining quite a bit, so we've had to bring the brolly. But yeah, fingers crossed. Things are starting to look up a bit. So yeah, guys. Well, my method rod's just gone off, and
I don't know what it is.
what is that?
Oh no. Shit, what is that?
Don't swear.
Sorry.
Okay. Max, you might have just seen it on film. Hang on, let me just loosen this up a bit. We didn't even know this was in this lake. Check out that. This is one angry tench. We'll give it away. To be honest, it's a bit of a joint effort. Let me just come in, help hold it. So it's a bit of a joint effort because it was my method rod, and I was just eating my crisps. I was just eating my crisps, and then it went off, and I was panicking a bit, but Max picked it up. So quick reactions. We'll definitely get some photos of this and give him away.
Do you want to wait?
Release of this £2 tench. Make sure he gets away the right way. Where's he going? There you go. He's off. You on?
So you and us just caught a bream on the method rod again.
Well, another joint effort, really.
Yeah.
So
He was just on the other side of the lake and I called him over. So let's just get this girl out the water and get some
as you do, and the method rod's gone off. Rightly so that I picked up the last one. Max gets to pick up this one, and it's fighting. So. Ooh. That looks like another tench.
That is a tench.
And there we go, it's another tench, boys.
Want to get your rod out?
Go, tench mania round 2, off of the method again. Try and hold him a bit more straight so you can get a good shot of him. And there it is, this one's bigger. It's got beautiful yellow colours, as you can see by the belly. Probably about 3, maybe pushing 3.5. I'd say probably about 3. That's a beautiful fish.
No.
I'll wait for you to sit down. So, what can we say apart from we're pretty shocked? I think the best thing we've ever had out of here is a 1 pound 3 ounce roach. No, it's actually probably more than that. Probably about 3 pound, not 3 pound. Probably about pushing 2 pound, maybe a bit less. And even that session we just had that and a couple of small skimmers, but this session has been amazing, really. We've had a couple of knocks on the float rods which are out on worms, but just no fish on them. And it's just been this method rod just in front of us that's just picked up all of the bites. 2 tench and a bream now. And Max has never had a tench.
No, and I'll get 2 today. So
I've only ever had 1. So
well, I mean it's good because it's a joint effort. So.
I can just see the lines starting to go here. So that was a bit of an eventful 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
Bearing in mind we hadn't had anything before. So
very pleased with that.
yeah, and hopefully we can get some more. Be awesome if we could, but if we don't, I'm still really happy that we came. It's made a good first video. What's that is killing? Anyway, people, it's about 1:45 now, and we haven't had a bite in a while.
Yeah.
I had another rudd, like that, big, and that's honestly that's when what we expected to catch when we came here today. So really surprised that we got the tench, 2 tench and the bream, and obviously we're made up with that. But you know, my back's hurting from sitting down in here and still very wet. So we'll give it half hour. If we don't catch, we'll probably pack up and go back home and meet in town and have a KFC.
To celebrate.
Yeah. But anyway, if we don't catch, thanks for watching this video, and subscribe and like. Yay! Yay! Come on.